Number 15. Pathos Laser Evo Spear. The Pathos Laser Evo Spear isn't just a spear, it's a top-of-the-line spearfishing tool designed for both experienced divers and newcomers. This lightweight and maneuverable spear gun is perfect for navigating tight spaces and coral reefs. Don't be fooled by its sleek design, the Laser Evo packs a punch. It features powerful bands and a precise shaft for accurate spearing. Plus, the anatomical grip ensures comfort and control, even during extended underwater hunts. So, whether you're a seasoned spearfishing pro or just starting your underwater adventures, the Pathos Laser Evo Spear is a reliable companion for hunting your next meal or exploring the wonders of the deep. Number 14. Dive Portable Lungs. The Dive Portable Lungs are a revolutionary innovation that promise to change the way we explore the underwater world. Unlike traditional scuba tanks, these compact units are lightweight and portable, fitting comfortably in a backpack. This eliminates the need for bulky decompression chambers and allows for exploration on the go. Imagine exploring a secluded reef or hidden underwater cave without the limitations of a heavy tank. Dive Portable Lungs utilize advanced technology to mimic natural lung function. By refilling with compressed air, either from a portable hand pump or a larger compressor at a dive shop, you can extend your underwater adventures for extended periods. While not intended for professional deep-sea diving, Dive Portable Lungs offer incredible freedom and flexibility for recreational divers and underwater enthusiasts. With proper training and safety precautions, these innovative lungs could open up a whole new world of underwater exploration. Number 13. Magic Jet. The Magic Jet isn't just a fancy name, it truly lives up to it. Imagine a sleek, lightweight device that straps comfortably onto your back. Think of it like a miniature jet engine, but instead of air, it propels you through the water using pressurized water jets. With just a flick of a switch, the Magic Jet comes alive, pushing you effortlessly through the water at speeds exceeding most traditional diving equipment. Imagine gliding effortlessly through coral reefs, keeping pace with playful dolphins, or exploring hidden shipwrecks with newfound agility. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just starting to explore the underwater world, the Magic Jet adds a whole new dimension of freedom and excitement. It's more than just a tool, it's a gateway to a whole new way to experience the majesty of the ocean. Number 12. Ocean Space Habitat. Imagine waking up to the gentle sway of the ocean current and a breathtaking vista of a coral reef teeming with life. The Ocean Space Habitat makes this dream a reality. This luxurious and sustainable underwater living pod is like a personal submarine apartment, offering all the comforts of home, but beneath the waves. The habitat is constructed from high-strength, transparent materials, allowing you to enjoy panoramic views of the underwater world from any room. Advanced life support systems provide clean air and water, while cutting-edge technology allows you to monitor and control the surrounding environment. Imagine relaxing in your underwater living room after a day of exploration, surrounded by the mesmerizing beauty of the ocean. The Ocean Space Habitat isn't just a shelter, it's a luxurious haven for those who dream of living in harmony with the underwater world. Number 11. Orcatorch D630 version 2.0. The Orcatorch D630 version 2.0 isn't just a flashlight, it's your underwater lifeline. This powerhouse packs a whopping 4,000 lumens, punching through murky water and illuminating the depths like daylight. Imagine navigating dark shipwrecks or exploring vibrant coral reefs with complete clarity. Built for the demands of technical diving, the D630 version 2.0 is constructed with durable materials and boasts impressive water resistance. Plus, its long-lasting battery provides up to 5 hours of illumination on the brightest setting, ensuring you have ample light for extended underwater adventures. Whether you're a seasoned cave diver or a curious recreational explorer, the Orcatorch D630 version 2.0 is a reliable and powerful companion for illuminating the underwater world. Number 10. Subnado. Imagine gliding effortlessly through the water, propelled by a silent and powerful force. Subnado is more than just an underwater scooter, it's your personal underwater taxi. This compact and lightweight device straps comfortably to your back and uses advanced jet propulsion technology to whisk you through the ocean depths. Forget the limitations of bulky scuba gear and fins. Subnado's intuitive fingertip controls allow for smooth and precise maneuvering, letting you explore coral reefs, shipwrecks, or simply enjoy a leisurely underwater cruise. With adjustable speeds and a surprisingly long battery life, Subnado is perfect for divers of all experience levels. Imagine capturing breathtaking underwater footage hands-free, or exploring underwater caves with ease. Subnado opens up a whole new world of underwater exploration, making it a must-have for any underwater enthusiast. Number 9. SCORKL 2.0. SCORKL 2.0 is a revolutionary breath-holding system designed to liberate you from the constraints of traditional scuba gear. Imagine effortlessly gliding through the water's surface, breathing freely without the bulky tanks and cumbersome mouthpiece of a traditional snorkel. This compact system utilizes a miniaturized compressed air cylinder and a streamlined regulator that hangs comfortably from your mouth. But the best part? SCORKL 2.0 is also incredibly versatile. The system boasts an innovative electric air compressor and optional battery pack. This means you can ditch the reliance on dive shops and refill your SCORKL 2.0 from the comfort of your own boat, car, or even at home from a regular wall outlet. So, pack your SCORKL 2.0, grab your fins and mask, and get ready to experience the underwater world like never before. This user-friendly and portable system is the perfect gateway to a world of underwater exploration. Number 8. SeaTrek. SeaTrek isn't your typical scuba diving experience. Imagine a giant, transparent dome that descends from a platform, creating a pressurized environment on the ocean floor. You can walk freely inside this dome, breathing comfortably without the need for a bulky diving suit. After a safety briefing, you'll descend a ladder and enter the SeaTrek dome. The air pressure inside the dome is maintained at the same level as the surface, allowing you to explore the underwater world without experiencing pressure changes. Large windows provide panoramic views of the vibrant coral reefs and marine life swimming around you. SeaTrek offers a unique and safe way to experience the wonders of the ocean floor. It's a fantastic opportunity to create lasting memories and appreciate the beauty of the underwater world firsthand. Number 7. Exelon. The Exelon is a game-changer for underwater communication. Imagine holding a natural conversation with your fellow underwater explorers, without the muffled sounds and distorted voices of traditional underwater communication systems. This innovative helmet-mounted device utilizes bone conduction technology. Instead of relying on microphones and speakers in the water, the Exelon transmits sound waves through your jawbone directly to your inner ear. When you speak, the Exelon vibrates your jawbone, converting your voice into these sound waves. For receiving sound, the Exelon picks up vibrations from the water and transmits them back through your jawbone, allowing you to hear clearly. This eliminates the need for bulky equipment and distortion caused by water interference. With the Exelon, communication underwater becomes as natural and effortless as talking on land. Number 6. GSM Mercury Underwater Wireless Communication Unit. Imagine ditching the bulky walkie-talkies and experiencing seamless communication underwater. The GSM Mercury Underwater Wireless Communication Unit is your gateway to a connected underwater world. This innovative device acts like a mini underwater cell phone network. No more relying on hand signals or hoping your voice carries. With the GSM Mercury, you can send text messages, emails, or even make voice calls directly from the ocean depths. This technology is a game-changer for underwater teams, allowing for clear and efficient communication between divers, researchers, and support crews on the surface. So, stay connected and explore with confidence thanks to the GSM Mercury. Number 5. Shark bands. While the ocean's beauty is undeniable, the presence of sharks can be a concern for underwater explorers. Shark bands offer a technological solution to this worry. These wearable bands utilize electromagnetic technology to create a field that disrupts a shark's natural electroreception. This sense allows sharks to navigate and detect prey. When a shark encounters the field from a shark band, it experiences an unpleasant sensation, causing them to veer away. Shark bands are designed to be comfortable and unobtrusive, fitting on your ankle or wrist. They're also completely passive, requiring no batteries or maintenance. The technology is backed by years of research and testing, ensuring its effectiveness in deterring a variety of shark species. So, whether you're a seasoned diver or just starting to explore the underwater world, shark bands can provide an extra layer of security, allowing you to focus on the wonders of the ocean with a sense of peace of mind. Number 4. Darkfin Durafin Gloves. Exploring the ocean floor often requires dexterity and grip. Don't let slippery surfaces and sharp objects slow you down underwater. Darkfin Durafin gloves are your ultimate companions for exploring the wonders of the ocean floor. These innovative gloves boast a 3-layer construction, offering a perfect balance between flexibility and protection. The outer layer is built for durability, safeguarding your hands from scrapes and punctures against coral, rocks, or other underwater elements. The middle layer utilizes a unique material that's thin and lightweight, allowing for maximum dexterity. Imagine delicately handling marine life or manipulating underwater tools with ease. Finally, the inner layer provides a comfortable, second-skin fit that minimizes water intrusion, keeping your hands warm and comfortable throughout your underwater adventure. Darkfin Durafin gloves also feature enhanced grip when wet, ensuring you maintain control in even the most challenging underwater environments. So, whether you're scaling a coral wall, searching for hidden treasures, or simply navigating the seabed, Darkfin Durafin gloves provide the perfect combination of grip, protection, and dexterity for an unforgettable underwater experience. Number 3. The Pluto Sensor. Imagine swimming freely in a vibrant coral reef, but constantly worried about unseen dangers. The Pluto Sensor takes that worry away, acting as your personal underwater guardian angel. This compact device goes beyond simply monitoring water temperature. It analyzes key parameters like salinity, oxygen levels, and even potential pollutants. Think of it as a tiny underwater lab, constantly checking the health of your environment. If anything falls outside the safe zone, the Pluto Sensor will alert you with an easy-to-understand visual or audible signal. This allows you to take immediate action, such as adjusting filtration systems or relocating to a healthier area. The Pluto Sensor isn't just about safety, it's about creating a thriving underwater ecosystem. By monitoring key metrics, you can ensure optimal conditions for yourself, any aquatic companions, and the surrounding marine life. It's a small device with a big impact, making your underwater living experience both safe and sustainable. Number 2. WUP Smart Collar. The WUP Smart Collar isn't just a stylish accessory for your aquatic friend, it's a guardian angel in disguise. This innovative collar goes beyond the typical pet tracker. It utilizes advanced sensors to monitor your pet's vital signs, including heart rate and respiration. This allows you to identify any potential health concerns early on, ensuring your furry, or feathery, explorer stays healthy and happy. But the WUP Smart Collar doesn't stop there. It also features built-in GPS technology, allowing you to track your pet's location in real time. Whether they're playfully exploring a coral reef or venturing a little too far, you'll always have peace of mind knowing exactly where they are. Additionally, the collar can be programmed to send alerts if your pet strays outside a designated safe zone. The WUP Smart Collar is a must-have for any responsible underwater adventurer with a furry or feathery companion. It provides the ultimate combination of safety, health monitoring, and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on creating lasting memories with your aquatic best friend. Number 1. SUPA HUKA. Imagine relaxing after a long day of exploring the coral reefs by curling up to watch a movie with your favorite underwater friends. SUPA Hooka isn't just an entertainment system, it's your underwater oasis. This innovative device features a waterproof housing that protects a high-resolution screen and powerful speakers. Access your favorite streaming services, browse the web, or even video call loved ones back on the surface, all while surrounded by the beauty of the underwater world. But SUPA Hooka goes beyond entertainment. It also boasts dual USB charging ports, allowing you to keep your phone, camera, or other devices powered up during your adventures. Plus, with its compact design and built-in storage, SUPA Hooka seamlessly integrates with your underwater lifestyle. So, whether you're catching up on the latest news, enjoying a movie night with your fellow aquanauts, or simply staying connected to the surface world, SUPA Hooka brings the comforts of home to the depths of the ocean. Wow! We've explored a whole range of incredible inventions that could one day make living underwater a reality. From breathing freely to exploring the ocean floor in comfort, the future of underwater living looks bright. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome, but these innovative inventions show the amazing potential of technology. What do you think? Is underwater living something you'd consider? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the future, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech adventures. Until next time, stay curious and stay exploring.